Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you why I love all three of these products. I've got this bucket seat that swivels. I got the 5-gallon YETI bucket, charcoal color. And this is the Chemical Guys 5-gallon bucket Dolly. This is a really nice setup, and I'm going to kind of explain and show you why I like all three products. So first off, the seat swivels. It does have some cushion to it, but it's got this handle, but I can take it off if I pull straight up. I had to kind of hold right here, pull straight up. You can see the seat, there's no assembly required on the seat. The YETI bucket, it does not come with a lid or anything. This is a super heavy duty bucket. It's got the big rubber thing on the bottom. Now here's the Chemical Guys Dolly. We can see it's very well constructed. The only assembly you got to do, you do have to put the wheels in. There's a rod that goes in the plastic. It can be a little harder. The wheels have a little coating, or like a rubber coating on them. You can see they're very well made. Each wheel has a lock on it. They roll real easy. Let's go over quick measurements. 11 inches, 3 1/4, sits up about 7 inches. Let's put the bucket on it. And again, you're just going to screw these down to hold the bucket into place. You know, the bucket itself, it's about 13 inches wide. The inner opening's about 11. Depth-wise, it's about 15 and a half. And to the top of the bucket, it's about 19. But let's put the lid on. And we end up with about a 21-inch seat. I really do like this combination. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.